Have you ever found yourself wrestling with a complex Excel spreadsheet, unsure of where to start? Or perhaps you've been left scratching your head over a particularly tricky formula that just won't give you the results you need? Well, fear not. Today you're about to embark on a journey that will transform these daunting challenges into manageable tasks. First, we'll dive into the basics. Excel at its core is a tool for organizing and analyzing data. It's made up of rows and columns forming cells where you can input data. Each cell has a unique address, composed of its column letter and row number, such as A1 or a C10. Getting comfortable with this grid system is your first step towards mastering Excel. Now, let's break down the most common formulas you'll need. The sum formula, for example, adds up all the numbers in a specific range of cells. Simply type =sum, followed by the range of cells you want to sum, and close it with a U. So, if you want to add up all the numbers in the cells from A1 to A10, you type =sum, A1, A10. Next up, we have the average formula, which calculates the average of a range of cells. It works similarly to the sum formula. If you wanted to find the average of the numbers in cells B1 to B10, you'd type =average, B1, B10. For those times when you need to find the largest or smallest number in a range, Excel has got you covered with the max and min formulas. The max formula finds the largest number in a range, while the min formula finds the smallest. Moving on, let's tackle a more complex function, the Vlookup. This powerful tool allows you to find specific data in large datasets. Imagine you have a list of employees with their respective salaries and you want to find out how much John Doe earns. Instead of scrolling through potentially hundreds of rows, you can use the Vlookup function. Lastly, we'll delve into pivot tables, a feature that allows you to summarize large datasets in a digestible format. With a pivot table, you can easily group and compare data, making it an invaluable tool for data analysis. To wrap up, we've covered the basics of Excel, including the grid system and cell addresses. We've explored common formulas like sum, average, max, and min. We've also learned about the powerful Vlookup function and the invaluable pivot table feature. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with these features and formulas on your own. With time and practice, you'll be navigating through Excel like a pro. So, set sail on your Excel journey and conquer those spreadsheets.